Greetings and salutations, folks. I'm Josh from Layzee Acres. Thank you for tuning in. We are saving the world here, one trailer at a time. Today we're going to have a fresh look at a 2023 Paradigm, model number 395 DS, weighs just less than 4,000 pounds. We got two big bedrooms on this one with a loft, two bathrooms. It's a great brand new model here. This is going to have you covering your children's eyes. And I'm here with my friend Cornell. Guys are pretty shy today, so he's not going to flip around the camera. Great looking front fiberglass cap. The painting through here looks spectacular. New decals for 2023. Wait till you see the new interior on this too. All refreshed, beautiful looking trailer. Kurt Rotoflex pin box. Never met the guy, but he built a heck of a pin box. We got our standard rougher style storage in through here, but it's really nice and deep in through there. They got the cutouts ready to go for the generator prep if you want to put that in. We've got 30 pumper paint tanks, one either side. Our auto leveling controls are in through here. We've got our pass-through storage, but then one of the great parts of this pass-through is we have great access to the back of all our convenience center stuff. So if you have an issue that way, nice and easy to tidy that stuff up. We've got all of our plumbing connections in through here, winterizing, sanitizing, outside shower, outside receptacle, gate valves in through here as well. We got our 12-gallon gas electric water heater, furnace vent, 50 amp detachable style cord. A little bit of bonus storage here. Maybe a nice spot for like a garbage can or something, Cornell?
Awesome.
Awesome, man. Right on. 6-point hydraulic auto leveling, more ride creek, 1000 suspension. Secondary sewer drain here at the back. We have that second washroom. As we come around the back side here, we have a class 3 receiver, 4-way wiring. Roof ladder. Get up on your roof and check your seals every stinking 90 days. All right. Then, we got a couple nice big awnings on either side of the living room, slide in through here. Our loft is up through there. Our rear bathroom's in through here. Our secondary main bedroom is at the back there. We've got nice secure steps right here all the way to the ground. Nice and solid, lend-a-hand grab handle. Just the other side of our pass-through storage in through here. We got another nice big awning over top of the whole thing in through there. That's the outside. Let's have a look inside. Right on, folks. We're inside that new Paradigm floor plan. They've really improved the wood coloring for this year. It is much warmer in through here. They've also made solar standard with a 20 cubic foot 12-volt fridge. We're going to get to all those features we can, but just the floor plan here is killer. We still have another bedroom in behind this door we're going to get to. Just awesome in through here. You can see the loft here above, built-in ladder. Check out this cool cupboard door. That's where Harry Potter used to live. You know what I mean?
Under the staircase.
Under the staircase right in through there. That's slick. We got our freestanding table and chairs, built-in pantry in through here. This is deep. This is, about 3 feet deep or so, motion-sensitive LED light. And then take a look at this new 20 cubic foot fridge in through there. That's awesome. We still got the switches and stuff like that, which I'm a fan of. I'm not a big screen guy, so I like to see the manual switches, controls, everything else in through here. Nice U-shape or horseshoe shape counter space in through here. Oven down below, 4-burner stovetop. More solid surface counter space.
Oh, that goes out to your...
Oh, that is dope. That's gangster, Cornell. That's awesome. So, sorry, I was jumping ahead there, but the outside storage bonus we saw there, that's right into our garbage can here from the inside out. Undermount stainless steel sink, pull-out faucet, and then just continuing back here, we got our theater seats across from our TV, trifold sofa right in through here. You can have 2 people sleeping on this as long as they're in love. Built-in fireplace. Cover space right here across the top. Should I go up in the loft for now?
Yeah, why not?
Ooh, I got my dancing shoes on. Right on. There's 2 big windows here on either side of this loft. The recessed lighting and the AC vents in through here is spectacular. That's a really nice loft. And then we're gonna come back down. Missing it? No, we got it. We got her dialed in. Alright, let's take a step down here into our rear queen bed. This is a full-size queen out in the slide, windows all the way around. That's fantastic. Across from that, we've got our closet space in through here, TV, a bunch of drawers here down below as well. Just a great secondary bedroom, Cornell. We're still getting to the main bedroom here. That's awesome. We got some nice countertops. These are epoxy poured, but look at the texture in through here. Really nice stuff. Cupboard space, drawers, and look at the shower height we got here. Fantastic stuff in through here. Look at the LED lights around the vent. That's awesome. Alright, Cornell, we're still got to do the main bedroom and bathroom. You coming? You coming?
Thinking about it.
Alright. Right on. We got the squat check. Oh yeah, the dump truck fits in through here. Again, epoxy pour tops up and through here. A great texture for this year too. Cover space there. Cover space there. Cover space there. Check that out, Cornell. The countertop continues into this cabinet like that.
Wow.
That's nice. For height, spectacular in through here. We got a seat I can sit down and shave my legs. Here's our bed slide, pulling the king size bed off the floor. Nice windows in through here. Nice floor, continues into the closet. Truly a walk-in closet because I'm walking in through here. We got hanging, shelving, washer dryer prep. There's even a seat here. I can sit down, pull on or off my pajama pants or my slippers, everything you need. That's the video, folks. Hit the like button, the subscribe button, hit us up on Instagram, Facebook, TikTok. Leave us a comment down below. Let me know what you think of this floor plan. Have a good day.